Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We are here at Kings Island for Phantom Theater Media Day. We're going to get a chance to ride the brand new ride for 2026. Really excited. If you saw our video last month, we were here for the construction preview, but now we actually get to ride. So excited that we are actually going to see the Kings Island Essentials shop too, and we're going to get a little gift at the end as well. Yes. So they gave us little content creator passes and a little itinerary, and we're gonna come check it out. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this real family vacation. All right, we're here. Phantom Theater Media Day, huh? They got a new sign out. Oh, cool. The stage is set.
The only time you get one, there's no crowd.
All right, look at it. Back at Kings Island, and it's very cool. They have the new shop. We'll definitely check out the shop here on our way out. The Kings Island Essentials. It's not new, but they did refurbish it, so. Very cool. We are at Kings Island. All right, walking up, you can already see some of the paint. Oh, they're spooky waiting out front for us. Ooh, very spooky. Oh, good morning. Oh, say hi. Ooh.
Was that your first ride?
What do you think, Kenny? Wow, they did a really good job with the sign, huh? And they got a digital cue sign thing for it, looks like. Cool. All right. Well, here we go. Here's the cue. They do have a fast lane. Watch your step.
Unless they close us down again. Yes.
Oh, I think I hear No Legs Larry.
Forgotten. It was enough to make you blast your boo.
But every so often, a rift occurs in the mortal veil, and talents like mine.
In other words, we're back in business. Show business.
Indeed.
There's no business like show business. No business I know.
I am the maestro, the true phantom of the theatre, and I have returned to perform my new masterpiece for
See the kitty cat?
Terra
Maestro.
in D minor.
Our entire cast and crew from days gone by have returned from the great beyond, and each one of them is ready to take the stage once again.
Yes, the dusty denizens of the theatre just love new victims. I mean, visitors. Everyone is here, including No Legs Larry, our head usher. Well, head and torso usher.
At your service. No, we didn't forget you.
Maestro.
I think the cat Arpeggio was
Arpeggio.
Right. You prefers to be called Archie.
Archie,
But
that's the cat.
I, of course, am still the featured attraction.
We're all waiting for premiere performance, Maestro.
Whoa!
You said it, Archie. There's quite a storm out there.
Is everything in readiness for our grand reopening?
The cast is backstage rehearsing.
That's wonderful!
The audience is waiting to be seated.
That's fantastic!
And I'm the only usher who's shown up.
That's not good.
Not good.
I need more ushers to seat the audience for the big show. Where are we going to get them from?
It's not like we can just go out and find a group of trespassers standing in line, waiting to be asked.
Or maybe we can.
Hello, peasants.
Maybe you mortals.
Nope. Yeah, we got... Oh, look at the photos.
Who's up next? Draw to someone who knows what they're doing.
You can ask.
I've heard about those. I thought they were long. They were awful, like musical mosquitoes. Better stay away, or don't be so dramatic.
All right. Whoa. Wow, they did really good with the lightning.
Please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the opera box at all times. And please watch your children.
Welcome back to Kerney-cation. We are
fellow
here
ushers.
at Kings
Remember,
Island
all the world's
for
a
Phantom
stage.
Theater, their brand new attraction for 2026. We're so excited. We got our flashlights. We're going to catch some ghost notes. So we're going to keep our hands in. We're going to stay seated, and let's go. There's no like Lily. You ready?
Are you ready to be
Oh,
an usher?
I am.
It's 10 minutes till showtime.
Let's go. Woo!
Yay!
Are you ready to be an usher?
I am.
It's 10 minutes till showtime.
We got our flashlights, so we just have to catch ghost notes. And it's nice. You can just push and hold. So
Yes, it's nice. In
The
the old
audience is gathering and waiting for the show to begin.
in the old ride, you had to sort of manipulate like a blaster, and that was a little bit difficult for the kids to hold because it was like a fun blaster, but it was hard. You had to constantly push the button, and it didn't have the best like handability for little hands.
here we go. Whoop.
Remember what Mr. Tony said? Try and get the notes with the most points.
Yeah, the special ones.
So the one of the really neat things besides the flashlight just being cool with the lights itself is that unlike the blasters where you sort of had to guess if you were getting points, they had like a feedback in the flashlight, so the flashlight vibrates. So every time you hit a note, you know that like you've got a point. And then we learned a little cool trick before we got on this ride that there are special notes that give you extra points. So if you do pay attention to which notes you're hitting, there are certain ones that give you more points.
Ah!
Oh my
Ah,
gosh!
Garbanzo.
Woo! And then it is nice too because there's only 3 flashlights to a cart, but like we have a family of 4 and we're all able to get in the cart, but it's still enjoyable even if you're just riding because there's so much to see. Unlike the previous ride where like you had to hit the sensor with your blaster to set like the interaction off. The interactions on this ride are continuously happening, and then you're setting off, you're hitting the musical notes, so there's something to look at even if you aren't playing. Woo! Oh my
Man, they're
gosh,
fast.
huh?
How you doing, buddy? Catch him, catch him.
And it's neat because you can always see your flashlight too, so that's kind of fun, even if you maybe aren't scoring really well. What do you think is going to happen here, huh? Oh my gosh! So it's neat. They can always see the flashlight, so they can kind of know where they're aiming to, which is helpful if you've never really done this or you're a little kid that doesn't know where to go. Good job, buddy.
Let's go.
And it's
Oh,
cute.
I gotta hurry. The maestro forgot his music.
Yeah, the haptic feedback is really good on the flashlight. You can really tell when you get a note, and I love how you're really just in the scene. Like you're really close to everything. It's really nice. Ah, there's Garbanzo.
Hey, and it's neat because they have characters, so like the kids can kind of pick like, oh, I like that one, I like this one. And the animatronics are really good.
Really good. Like they did a great job. This ride is amazing. So definitely come out to Kings Island this year. This should be a definitely must-do.
We were big Boo Blaster fans, so I was nervous about how I was going to like this ride, but it's amazing. I mean, it way beyond my expectations. They did a great job. Wow, look at that, huh?
What? Score's too high. Oh, yeah, I think the special ones are the ones with the wings. What do you think?
I think they all have Oh, I see.
Yeah, it's got wings. That could be the high score one, buddy. Keep going.
Wow. And it's cool too, because I imagine that every time you ride this ride, you probably see something different, which that was true for the first ride also, but that was really more so, again, because you didn't set all the interactions off unless you did it with your gun.
Ghost notes in the boiler.
Wow, you guys did it!
Way to go.
And it's neat because, like, when you enter in this room, like, it smells different, which is kind of cool. And then there's been several...
Get you in there.
There's been several instances, like right now, where they use like the flash, like the lights, but they also hit you with like air. And so this one was like interactive in the sense that like you hear the sounds, you see the things, you get hit with air, and then you smell like the boiler room scent. So it's getting all this.
We did it.
You guys did it! Woo!
Maestro.
Oh, get it, buddy.
Oh, you're welcome.
Say bye.
Way to go, everybody. Good job. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. Again, come to Kings Island. Big thanks to Tony Clark and Kings Island for having us out. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. All right, test. So we just got off Phantom Theater. So good, love it. It's definitely a huge upgrade from Boo Blasters. So really excited this season. Definitely gonna try and get some more rides. The animatronics are so good. The technology is definitely next level. So I think this is a huge step up for Kings Island and the whole park. It's a great modification / addition, I feel, to the entire park. So I really hope you enjoyed this video. We're actually also gonna go check out some of the merch. They updated the Kings Island Essential store. So we're gonna see if we can sneak over there before we head out. But again, thanks for watching. All right, so we just finished up the ride here. Now we're heading over to the recently refreshed Kings Island Essential store to check out some of the merch. And I think we're gonna get a media gift. So let's check it out. All right, so in we go. Checking it out. It's very good. So it's definitely a great place to come just to get some merch on your way out. Right by the door. Snoopy hats. All sorts of stuff. Oh. And they do have some of the Phantom Theater stuff. Very cool. Very cool, very cool. All right, so that'll do it. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this real family vacation. We had so much fun. Thanks again to Kings Island and Tony Clark for inviting us out. So we'll see you next time.